Welcome back, little artists. Let's open the magic drawing book. Where's magic pencil? I don't see it anywhere. There you are! Magic pencil looks very sleepy today. Shh! Magic pencil is taking a little nap. Can you pretend to sleep with us? Look! It made a sleepy line. It slid so gently across the page. Can you try, Mino? I did it! I made a sleepy line. Now it's your turn, little artists. Ready? Draw! Beautiful drawing! Our sleepy line has another name. It's called a horizontal line. Can you say horizontal line? Our sleepy line became a park bench. What a wonderful surprise! Keep drawing, one line at a time.